Hello and assalamu alaikum, class 5th. How are you all? Today we are going to start Afghanistan in chapter number Pakistan and her neighbor on page number 71. So Afghanistan is also a neighboring country of Pakistan. Afghanistan is a mountainous country. It has cold winter and the summer season is hot and dry. The population of Afghanistan is made of mixed group such as Pashtuns, Uzbek and Tajiks. So basically the Afghanistan is a mountainous country surrounded by different mountains. The winter is very cold, but the summer season is hot and dry. The population of Afghanistan is a mixture. Like different types of tribes are living here: Pashtun, Uzbek, and Tajiks. Because of its central position, travelers have passed through this land for thousands of years. All the major routes from the Middle East to the subcontinent pass through the Afghanistan. So Afghanistan is present in the central position in South Asia. So that's why the travelers have passed through this land for thousands of years. All the major routes are going through from Middle East to the subcontinent by Afghanistan. In the 13th century, Afghanistan was a part of the empire of the great Mongol ruler Genghis Khan. Up to 13th century तक तो ये मंगोल खान के कब्जे में रहा था. It became a strong country under Ahmad Shah Durrani in 1747 and later came under the influence of the British. The people of Afghanistan defeated the British and became totally independent in 1921. So under the Ahmad Shah Durrani, the Afghanistan became stronger country, but later on the influence of British, but the Afghanistani people defeat the British and then become a totally independent country. Later now the Russian also show great interest in the region. In 1979, the USSR occupied Afghanistan for 10 years. There was unrest and war as the Afghan fought against the Russian. In 1989, the Russian begins to withdraw. So तकरीबन 30 साल तक किस तरह से अफ़गानिस्तान पर रशिया ने हुकूमत की, वहाँ पर हमला किया था. लेकिन इस तरह से मुख्तलिफ़ जंगें लड़ने के बाद आखिरकार रशिया ने हार मान ली. टुडे अफ़गानिस्तान इज़ अगेन एन इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री, बट देयर हैज़ बीन अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल इन द लैंड. But still some troubles are also had been some trouble also has been in the land, especially after the September 2000 when America USA attack on Afghanistan. After 2002, a new government was put in place. The country has suffered a lot of destruction. Afghanistan country suffered a lot of destruction and damage because of different attacks and war. Many Afghani left the country because of fighting in 1980s and again after 2000, hundreds of thousands refugees are come to Pakistan to live in here in Peshawar areas. So before the Russian invasion and the following wars, Afghanistan was a progressive country with many schools and university. So Russian हमले और different जंगों से पहले अफ़गानिस्तान जो था एक progressive country था, मुख्तलिफ schools और university थी. It was well known for its textile, carpets and excellent fruit. It exported lambskin, fruit, cotton, wool, carpets and natural gas. Natural gas was discovered in 1970 and brought in quite a lot money for the country. The official languages of Afghanistan are Pashto and Dari Persian. The population is about 32 million and the capital city is Kabul. So Afghanistan is well known for its textile, carpets. Very beautiful carpets are made here in Afghanistan, and the variety of fruits and dry fruits. So now next is China. China share only a small border with Pakistan. Share only a small border with China. The mountain in this region, in this border region, are the Karakoram, which are very high and very beautiful. So Pakistan share China very small border with the Karakoram side, with a very high mountain region and very beautiful region. In 1978, the Karakoram Highway was opened in connecting Pakistan and China. The highway built by the Chinese and Pakistan. So the Karakoram Highway opened in Pakistan and China connected by Karakoram Highway. The highway built by the Chinese and Pakistani runs through the Khanjarab Pass, which is 4,693 meter high. Pakistan and China have strengthened their relationship through CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. In Balochistan, there is a major कॉरिडोर पे काम जा रहा है सीपेक, विच इज़ अ वेरी बिग, आई थिंक काफ़ी अच्छी एक मंसूबा है, क्योंकि इससे दोनों कंट्रीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा पहुंचेगा. China is a much larger country than Pakistan. Its total area is 96 lakh square kilometer है. It has a cold climate in the north and a warm wet climate in the south. The world famous Gobi Desert is in the west of the country. China is mainly an agriculture country with most of the population living in the northeast. So in लाइक इतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी है ये कंट्री कि कोल्ड नॉर्थ में कोल्ड क्लाइमेट होता है और नॉर्थ साउथ में हमारे पास हॉट एंड वेट क्लाइमेट होता है. दुनिया का बड़ा जो फेमस गोबी डिज़र्ट आल्सो फाउंड हेयर इन चाइना. चाइना इज़ मेनली इन एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री एंड स्पेशली द मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन लिविंग इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. चाइनीज़ फार्मर मेनली ग्रो राइस एंड अदर food such as wheat and millet. The country has large deposit of coal, oil and iron ore. सो चाइना जो फार्मर है, यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर राइस की हमारे पास ग्रो की जाती है, लेकिन इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे क्रॉप्स यहाँ पर ग्रो किए जाते हैं. डिफरेंट डिपॉजिट ऑफ मिनरल्स भी यहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं, कोल, आयरन और चाइना हैज़ वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ओल्डेस्ट सिविलाइजेशन इन द पास्ट. इट वाज a ruled by many different dynasty. In 1911 there was a great revolution and the country became a republic. Then in 1921 the Chinese Communist Party was founded by their great leader Mao Zedong. It soon became powerful and set up a new People Republic in 1949. So China's culture is a very famous for their oldest civilization. Different dynasty ruled over here, but in 1911 a great revolution come here and the country became a republic. A Chinese Communist Party found a great leader Mao Zedong formed a powerful and set up a new republic in 1949. In 1960, Cultural Revolution took place in China under Mao Zedong's leadership. The country progressed and modernized under the next important leader. Deng Xiaoping were brought about economic revolution. There are many interested in China today and it is now the world's fourth largest economy. So now the China is become the next superpower of the world because of different industries and different types of revolution, and the country become a modernized and progressed. China has the largest population, 1.34 billion in the world. The official language of China is Mandarin Chinese. The capital of city is Beijing. There are many other important cities such as Shanghai, Guangzhou, Canton and Hong Kong. So this is about the China and Afghanistan. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.